Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we've got a brief install and review video on the Ford Performance carbon fiber shift knob for the Ford Fiesta and Ford Focus. Now, the stock knob, which comes with the Fiesta ST, is pretty nice, but I wanted something that looked a little bit better and had a slightly different shape. And so, after reviewing the possible options, I came across the Ford Performance carbon fiber shift knob. Now, this knob is not necessarily cheap. It's about $80, which is quite a bit more than some other competitive shift knobs, but there are a few things that really set this apart. Now, if you're looking for a more weighted shift knob, this is not for you. The stock knob at 154 grams is really just about 1 gram lighter than this carbon fiber knob. So it's really not about weight. It's more about sort of fit and finish as well as look. I think this knob looks absolutely wonderful. The carbon fiber weave is nice and pronounced. The red ST, I think, looks really good inside the interior of the Fiesta, as well as the Focus. And then the laser printing or whatever it is on the numbering at the top here, the shift pattern is really, really nice. You can tell this is a quality product by just handling it. Now, I can't yet speak to the durability of the new knob, but if you can see here, my stock knob, after about 47,000 miles, is pretty scratched up. I did buy this car secondhand, so I'm not sure if the previous owner had a ring on, which may have contributed to some of these scratches, but nevertheless, it is pretty scratched up. The new knob comes with some instructions that I thought were kind of funny, actually, especially this first part here, which tells you to throw away your old shift knob into the trash can. I kept mine, just to be safe. But basically, you're going to unscrew the old knob, keep the spring here, that's very important, so that you can still use the reverse lockout. I think it's asking you to put tape around it to protect it, not sure. And then it asks you to line up the new knob straight and then throw away the tape, I believe. Slightly interesting instructions. But anyways, installation is a breeze. You just go ahead and unscrew your old shift knob. Should come off pretty easily. The spring here will kind of spring up on you at the end, so be ready for that. And then you just go ahead and twist on the new knob. Now, one quick thing to note when installing the new knob is that you must make sure to go all the way down to the bottom. It might feel tight, but then if you try to use the reverse lockout, it'll make a sort of loud springing noise. If you go a little bit tighter, that noise will go away. So make sure it's on perfectly tight, and then the knob is installed. Now, I've been using this new knob for about a month now, and I have to say I am really rather impressed. The shape is a little bit different than the stock knob. It is more of a teardrop shape, so it's kind of up to you as to whether that shape is something that works well with your hand and shifting position. But fit and finish is great. I still think it looks absolutely wonderful, and I haven't noticed any scratching, although it really only has been a month, so I can't give a full long-term opinion on the durability of it. But all in all, while it is a little bit on the pricey side at $80, I do think this is a great little upgrade to make your Fiesta look better, and I really do think it does feel better in the hand. It feels like my shifts are a little bit smoother just with the nicer shape of the shift knob. If you're considering other alternatives, I would highly recommend you look at this one. There are a few other really good knob brands out on the market, but I'm very happy with this. I hope this video helps someone come up with a decision on a new shift knob. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. And if you enjoy the Fiesta and Toyota pickup and Miata content I've been putting out, please consider subscribing. It would really help me out. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you next time.